What's happening, people? This is Rohit here, and I'm on my way towards the Macy's 4th of July Independence Day fireworks. Taking the train to Hoboken. See the people going to the viewing area. The barges start from here. Look at the number of people in this area, and the barges are there. 5 barges. That's where I'll be walking to. I'm walking through Hoboken's residential areas. It's actually my first time around this area, so definitely enjoying it. Earlier it was near the waterfront. You can see so many people having fun. Weather is amazing. It's like 80s and 90s in Fahrenheit. Totally amazing. First time international student, living life to the fullest, and I want to take in all the sights. And then I'm shooting in the residential area right now. It's actually my first time attending this event. Currently time is 6:50. Fireworks is going to start around 8 p.m. That's what they say. That's when the broadcast starts. But actual fireworks will start at 8:30, 8:45 because that's when the sun will set. And I know this because I was there last year for this event. And I also read that it's actually in over a decade they're coming to the Hudson River for the first time. So last time I had to go to New York City and see the event from there. So it's around East Side, and then I had to take train, go walk, and that was amazing. It's different kind of event altogether, but this time it's actually happening around Hudson Riverside. So all I had to do was take the train, come to Hoboken, and I'm going to find a place to see. Into Maxwell Place Park. This is one of the viewing areas for the fireworks. Look at this area filled with people. The World Trade Center over there, Lower Manhattan. You can see the barges, 1, 2, there are 5 in total. This is Midtown area. There are some areas which require tickets, like this one. We came prepared for this event. Cameras, chairs, carpet. This area is like the center because you can see the first barge, second one, third one is here. This area is restricted, requiring tickets. I have decided to be around this area as it's the center, and I don't have to strain a lot to see the fireworks in the air. This is going to be my spot for the event. The view is just amazing. View of the pier. Look at the number of people around me. Midtown Manhattan skyline, and the 5 barges. 1, 2, 3 right at the center. 4 and 5 will be there. Lower Manhattan skyline. The fireworks will be around this area, so I don't have to strain a lot. It's just going to be amazing, and I'm going to enjoy it. Time right now is 7:45. Less than 1 hour for the fireworks to start, and I got an amazing view. Residents of these apartments are so lucky. It's 8:45 right now. See the lights in New York City skyline. Time right now is 9 p.m. The time right now is 9:25. They started with the drone show. First they are showing it to that side, then it will turn this side, Macy's. Wow. Now woo! It's not turning this side. Last year it was amazing. I remember this event. Look at this. Finally, after a lot of delay. Number of people around me. Oh, look at that. Seeing it in person is so different. Woo! Wow. Wow. If there are drones, yeah, drone is still there. I think it might go up and become Statue of Liberty like last year. I remember that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Totally worth the wait. Woo! center batch, continuous fireworks, and then all the way up in the air. Woo! Woo! Oh, wow. Continuous fireworks is singing. Wow. I love the timing at which they are doing it, from here all the way up to the top, and then one by one. What timing, what coordination. So beautiful. Look at the colors, red, blue and white colors of the American flag. Oh, is that the new Saturn ring pattern? So beautiful. Wow. Wow, look at that. Started to drizzle as well. Time right now is 9:45. Finally, the fireworks ended. It's also raining. Look at the number of people around me. Stayed till the end. Time right now is 9:55 and the fireworks is finally done. Everyone started leaving around me. It's raining and overall it was worth it. When the first fireworks went in the air, I was like, wow, that's amazing. It was totally worth the wait. It also started so late as well. But comparatively, I feel last year's drone show was amazing. And overall, I had fun. It's my second time attending this on the Hudson. First time at the Hudson River. Thank you all for watching. See you all in another one. Till then, bye for now.